The Navis Rescan workflow is a comprehensive offering that constantly evolves to meet the changing needs of your manufacturing facilities. Continuous improvement is a part of your DNA, and product changes are inevitable, constantly altering the physical fabric of your factory. Working with unreliable layouts or old CAD data can result in delays and extra costs. Reality capture data you relied on yesterday can quickly become outdated, requiring the need for updating your digital world. To stay on top of the changes, Navis enables you to maintain your reality capture data at your own pace with an industry-leading lean rescanning workflow. The Navis Rescan workflow gives users a swift and seamless process for rescanning. Planners and engineers can manage rescan projects with confidence, knowing that they can focus on what needs to be scanned and not on the underlying data sets. Changes to the production environment trigger the need for a rescan. Thanks to predefined survey control points, your updated data remains consistent and aligned with the existing scans of your factory. Once the area is identified, trained staff from Navis or from your team quickly rescans it using Navis VLX, a state-of-the-art 3D laser scanner designed for fast and accurate capture of buildings and assets. The data is then safely processed in the cloud, anonymized, and geolocated in your production network based on the pre-established control points. Once processing is done, the data is easily transferred to Navis Ivion. Proprietary algorithms select data based on the date of the scan, the distance from the scanner, and the density of the point cloud, ensuring that only the best quality data from overlapping data sets is shown. Your updated facilities are then made available for publishing and are ready to work with in our cloud-based spatial data platform, Navis Ivion. As your assets and built environment change, you can trust that your physical and digital realities always match at a much larger and more comprehensive scale than ever before, unleashing the full potential of your reality capture data.